Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off a feature in the OneDrive app that a lot of people find a little annoying, shake to send feedback. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch off this setting on your Android device, so you won't accidentally trigger feedback messages just because your phone jostled in your bag or pocket. Let's jump right in and walk through the process together. Don't worry, I'll explain every tap. First, grab your Android device and open up the OneDrive app. If you're not sure where it is, look for the familiar blue cloud icon. Go ahead and tap that to launch the app. Give it a second, it might take a moment to load up, especially if you haven't used the app in a while. Once OneDrive is open, you're going to want to find your profile area. That's usually the spot where you manage settings and account details, so look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see an icon that either looks like a little person or, if you've set one, it'll be your own profile picture. Tap on that. This section is called the Me tab, and it's where you get quick access to all your personal app options. Now, with your profile area open, you'll see several choices on the screen. What we're after is the Settings option. So gently scroll through the list and find Settings. It might be near the middle or bottom, depending on your app version. Give that a tap. This will pull up a new screen packed with all sorts of preferences and controls for your OneDrive app. Here, where you want to slow down just a bit. In Settings, there's a fair number of options, so take your time scrolling down until you spot a feature labeled Shake to send feedback. Depending on how often app updates roll out, its exact place in the menu might shift around, so if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just keep scrolling patiently. Sometimes these little options like to hide in the middle of all the settings. Once you do find Shake to send feedback, take a look to see if the toggle switch next to it is on. If it's colored or showing as enabled, that means the feature is active. This is the reason why every time your phone shakes, maybe bouncing around in your backpack, or if your kid gets a hold of your phone, you might see a pop-up asking if you'd like to send feedback. For most people, this is more of a hassle than a help, so what you want to do is simply tap that toggle to turn it off. When you do, the switch should gray out or shift to the left, indicating it's now disabled. That's all there is to it. No more random pop-ups the next time your phone gets a little jostled. This tiny adjustment can really make a difference, especially if you move around a lot or have an active lifestyle. You can always re-enable it later if you change your mind, but for now, you've got one less interruption in your day. And that's it. Super easy, but definitely handy once you know where to look. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider giving the video a like. It really helps out. And if you have any questions or if you run into anything unexpected along the way, pop your comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, straightforward tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.